Imagine holding a machine that doesn't just defy the established rules of the tech industry, but completely erases them. A machine so profoundly radical, so intensely focused, that it makes every premium laptop on the market look like a cluttered relic from a bygone decade. For years, the major tech corporations have sold us a very specific, deeply frustrating compromise. They told us that if we wanted elite performance, we had to carry a thick, heavy chassis with roaring cooling fans. They told us that if we wanted ultimate thinness and battery life, we had to settle for weak processors that stuttered the moment we pushed them. We accepted those boundaries, splitting our lives between different devices and constantly managing our expectations. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Then, in the hidden design labs of Cupertino, a completely new philosophy took root. What you are looking at right now is not a standard upgrade to an existing product line. It is a total, uncompromised reimagining of what a personal computer can be. This is the Apple MacBook Neo 2, and it is designed to permanently disrupt your relationship with technology. To truly understand why this ultra-sleek machine is causing an absolute psychological shockwave throughout the entire tech community, you have to look past the impossibly thin, sculpted aluminum silhouette. You have to look directly into the silicon mutation that powers it. The industry has reached an absolute breaking point where standard processing architecture can no longer keep up with our daily digital demands. The MacBook Neo 2 bypasses traditional limitations entirely by introducing a hyper-refined, next-generation computational core layout that balances extreme raw processing velocity with a microscopic energy footprint. But numbers and specifications don't capture the actual reality of using this machine. What matters is the visceral, immediate sensation when you realize this silent, feather-light device handles intense workloads with a level of fluid speed that feels completely unnatural. Think about the everyday micro-frustrations that slowly drain your creative energy and focus. The slight delay when opening a massive file, the stutter when switching between multiple heavy applications, or the sudden, alarming warmth on your lap as the internal components struggle to stay cool. The MacBook Neo 2 eliminates this systemic friction entirely. Operating on a completely fanless, hyper-efficient thermal dissipation matrix, it handles demanding creative tasks, massive data compilations, and intense multitasking environments in absolute, dead silence. You can push the system to its absolute limits, and it sits before you completely cool, completely calm, and entirely focused on your commands. This silent operation completely transforms your workspace, removing the sensory pollution of whirring fans and allowing your thoughts to flow directly onto the screen without distraction. The secret weapon behind this unprecedented behavioral fluidity is the spectacular evolution of Apple's unified data architecture. In a standard computer, information is constantly forced to travel across long physical pathways between the processing brain, the graphics engine, and the system memory. This physical distance creates a massive, permanent bottleneck that chokes performance and wastes battery power. The Neo 2 shatters this physical barrier by integrating an ultra-dense, high-bandwidth data pool directly onto the silicon package itself. Every single component accesses the exact same data simultaneously at blistering speeds. This means the graphical processor has immediate, unrestricted access to massive files, rendering complex layouts,